Once you open the app and pass the loading screen, it opens right to the Bible. Right away, you can select the book and the chapter that you want, and it will take you right there in a matter of seconds. Another way you can quickly find Bible passages is by searching the topic or the passage that you want to find. A convenient option that YouVersion gives you to search through the Bible is to search by Bible stories. Many different important Bible stories are highlighted here, and it will take you to the different passages that are included in this Bible story. Now, a really fun feature of the YouVersion Bible app is the mood-based verse selection. You can choose one of these emojis here, like the happy one, and then choose the different moods underneath it in this menu. And then it will search for different verses relevant to that mood. Another amazing feature of the YouVersion Bible app is the ability to compare translations. So I can select a verse, then press compare, and I can compare the text of various different translations. And you can easily press add version to add whatever version you like, so you can better understand the verse and get a different perspective on it. YouVersion gives you various different badges for various different tasks that you complete. This badge, the whole Bible badge, is one I recently earned, and I posted it on Facebook, and people were wondering what app I was using. That's why I decided to create this video to explain why I really love using the YouVersion Bible app. So badges is a good motivator of things to achieve, and it really reminds you of how far you've come. Like, I've highlighted 500 verses, which is pretty crazy, if I even say so myself. And I realized I almost never used to highlight anything, but now I've changed. I've highlighted 500 verses. Another advantage of the YouVersion Bible app is its social aspect. You have a main feed where you can view the different statuses, the different verses, the plans that your friends are participating in. You can encourage them with a comment and a like, and you can also start a Bible study plan with friends. Now, the YouVersion Bible app is amazing. It really helped me read through the Bible in 1 year for the first time ever, and it's an amazing accomplishment, and it wouldn't have been possible without the YouVersion Bible app. It's an app that can really enhance your Bible study time, and it can really help you read the Bible when you don't have access to a paper Bible or powerful or expensive Bible apps. It's really easy to get. It's on pretty much every software platform or online. It's really a blessing. I really appreciate the YouVersion Bible app, and I really hope it continues to change lives through its work.